So one of the things that you can do is assign out people to tasks as well. So over here you can see that I have this particular task, and let's say I want to assign this to a certain person. In that case, you can simply go ahead and as you open up this task, you can click on the assign button and then go ahead and choose the name of the person right here. You can even type and search the name of the person that you want to add in, then they will show up. Let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead right here, type in the name, then you will be able to see those people right here who are available. So if I were to close this, you will be able to see the circle right here with the name, as you can see right here, which denotes that this task belongs to a certain person. Even in the grid view right here, if you were to go, you can see that this task is assigned to this person right here. You can click on it over here and assign other person right here just like this as well. And even go ahead and assign multiple people if you wish. And that is how you can go ahead and assign people to tasks inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.